Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the rolling hills of the countryside, there lived a little pig named Percy. Percy was a curious little pig who always loved to explore and discover new things. He had a shiny pink coat of fur and a cute button nose that twitched with excitement whenever he found something interesting. One bright and sunny morning, Percy woke up feeling restless. He had heard about a market that was coming to town, full of delicious treats and exciting sights to see. Percy decided that he wanted to go to the market and explore all the wonders it had to offer. So, with a skip in his step, Percy trotted off towards the market, his little hooves clattering on the cobblestone streets. As he made his way through the bustling market stalls, the sights and sounds overwhelmed him. The bright color of the fruits and vegetables, the smell of freshly baked bread, and the chatter of the vendors all filled Percy with joy. Percy's eyes widened as he saw all the delicious foods on offer. He tried samples of ripe strawberries, crunchy apples, and savory cheeses. He even sneaked a taste of some freshly roasted beef from a kind butcher who couldn't resist Percy's pleading eyes. As Percy wandered through the market, he suddenly remembered that he had left his little pigsty back at home. Feeling a pang of homesickness, Percy decided to head back to his cozy little abode. He wanted to curl up in his favorite spot and rest after his exciting adventure at the market. Upon returning home, Percy snuggled into his soft hay bed and thought about all the wonderful things he had seen and tasted that day. He felt grateful for the simple pleasures of life and the warmth of his home. Just then, Percy heard a familiar voice calling out to him. It was his friend, Penelope the piglet, who had come to pay him a visit. Penelope was a tiny pig with a big heart and infectious laugh that always made Percy smile. Together, Percy and Penelope snuggled up in Percy's pigsty, sharing stories and laughter late into the night. They talked about their adventures, dreams, and the joys of friendship. As they drifted off to sleep, Percy felt grateful for the love and companionship of Penelope, and he knew that he was truly blessed. The next morning, Percy woke up feeling refreshed and ready for another day of exploration. He bid farewell to Penelope and set off on a new adventure, eager to see what the world had in store for him. As Percy wandered through the lush green fields and fragrant meadows, he thought about the wise words of his mother. She had always told him to appreciate the little things in life, like the warmth of the sun on his back, the sound of birds singing in the trees, and the joy of friendship. With a contented sigh, Percy knew that he was exactly where he was meant to be, surrounded by love, laughter, and the simple pleasures of life. And as he trotted off into the horizon, his heart brimming with happiness, Percy knew that he would always carry the spirit of adventure and gratitude with him wherever he went. And so, this little piggy went on many more adventures. But no matter how far he roamed, he always remembered the warmth of home and the joy of simple pleasures. Percy the pig was truly happy and content, knowing that the greatest treasures in life are the ones that bring love and light into our hearts.